After months of hype and waiting, Meta's grand plan to spread Horizon OS beyond its own headsets has hit a brick wall. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. The devices from Asus and Lenovo are effectively dead as Meta has confirmed the program is paused and insiders aren't holding their breath. When Horizon OS was first teased for outside partners, it sounded bold. 3 headsets were promised: an Asus model built for gaming, a Lenovo headset aimed at work and entertainment, and a slick Xbox branded device. The only one that happened was a limited edition Meta Quest 3s in Xbox colors, and the rest quietly vanished. Meta says it's now focusing on its own hardware and software to advance the VR market. Translation, it's going solo, and while that might sound confident, many will think they fumbled. The problem is money. Meta keeps undercutting the market by selling Quest headsets at a loss, hoping to make cash back through app sales. That's fine if you're Meta, but for Asus and Lenovo, it's a nightmare. They'd need to charge more just to survive, while also paying Meta to license Horizon OS and competing with Quest at those prices? Almost impossible. The rival platforms are far more tempting. Android XR and the upcoming XR version of SteamOS offer wide app support without Meta's pricing. Google isn't selling its own headset yet, Samsung isn't racing to the bottom on price, and Valve is expected to keep its hardware premium. That makes life easier for partners. For Meta, this feels like a missed chance. Horizon OS could have become the Android of extended reality. But Android XR may now claim that crown with major brands already on board. Meta may be betting everything on itself, but this pause doesn't feel like a win. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.